Yes, we are back at Rockport Beach today. Decided to come back, do another video. It's such a nice day outside. It's almost, I think it was like 88 degrees. Just checking out the sights. Checking out the sights, the sun. All right, say hi, Chloe. You gonna play a little bit?
Yeah.
And then go home? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna set you down. All right. Where are we going? You gonna go in here? Yes. This is Chloe's second favorite spot, probably. Where are we going next? Uh-oh, it's all wet. There's water at the end of the slide. Where are we going? I'm following you. She doesn't know what to do. She's like, should I go on the slide? Or should I not go on the slide? You just gonna stand there? Where are you going, Chloe? What are you doing? Where are we going? Uh-oh. All right, she's back. Took a little fall, but she's okay. Didn't even cry. Oh, don't go get too close to the road. Looks like they have a like a track you can run through here. I seem to have missed that. I didn't know they had that here. Looks fairly new. Then they got these buildings over here. Once we go up to it, I'll read off what it says. Let's see. Looks like a little area you can get your, souvenirs, stuff like that. Souvenirs, sandals, water shoes, hats and caps, t-shirts, boogie boards, beach toys, rentals, sunscreen. These look pretty new. I don't know if it's open. Yeah. Oh, it's closed. Closed for the evening, I guess. you have this little picnic area over here. I didn't realize they were over here. Nice little spot to hang out. Lots of room. I don't know if you see it in the distance, but if you watched the video yesterday, they were setting up for the Sea Fair. That's next week. Making a lot of progress. A few more tents. Yeah, a few more tents in the area. I mean, they still got a couple more days. Starts Friday, I think. That's pretty much it. This is gonna be a quick video. It's not gonna be too long. Just a couple, maybe 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. You know, I want to thank everyone that subscribed. You know, I know it's not a whole lot right now, but I saw it and it made my day. I know it's just, you know, simple exploration videos right now, but I'm enjoying it so far. It's pretty relaxing. I can get a lot off my mind. You know, it's fun to do. You know, if you have anything you want to see me do, like any type of videos, like exploration, if there's any areas you'd like to see in the Corpus area, you know, that sounds like fun to you. We can, you know, I can make a plan to go wherever we need to go. You know, if you want to see me freak out at horror games, I don't usually play those because I'm a scaredy cat. So if you want to see that, see me react to playing games like those, you know, just put it in the comments. You know, I'm not really sure what to do, like with the channel, but I'm just, like, you know, experimenting with it and seeing where we can go with it. It's more of a hobby for right now, but yeah, just, you know, let me know in the comments what you want to see, and I'll be happy to do everything I can to post more videos. I think the 8th I'm going to bring Chloe to the Sea Fair this Friday, so I'm not really sure like what time, and might be like as soon as they open. I don't want to be out here for too long. Yeah, there's that. I'm gonna make plans. I'm gonna see what events are going on, and you know, see the event calendars and see what's going on around Corpus area, and see what I can do. You know, again, I want to say, you know, thank you to Justin, Jimmy, Gordon. I mean, they're awesome for subscribing to me. Richard, a couple other people, thank you. You guys are awesome. I got my mom to subscribe. Yeah, I can't really think who else subscribed, but thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'm gonna try to do more. So I feel like that's pretty much it. Can't think of anything else off the top of my head. There's some birds over here. Oh, they're flying. Let's see. I want to try to do the USS Lexington, but I don't know how that's gonna go. I have a friend that knows some people, so I'm talking to him. But oh, I think a fish just jumped out of the water. That's crazy. It's nice out. It's got a little wind. A little wind going around. Nice. Yeah, that's the playground we played at. Chloe and I went and played at. Oh, there's another one. I don't know if you saw that. I don't know if that caught it on camera, but the fish just jumped out of the water again. That's crazy. Oh, you got some jet skiers playing around in the water. Alright, look at this seat. I'm gonna sit right here for a minute. Alright. Oh, there goes another one. Alright, well, thank you again for watching. You know, thank you again for watching and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Taking your time out to watch these. I think that's gonna do it for today. Yeah, I think I'll end the video right here. I hope everyone has a good day. Until next time.